Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a quick video to walk you through how to turn on or off the power saving mode on your Casio Pro Trek Tough Solar Pathfinder. This is the model 3246, it's the PAG240. This should also work if you've got the model 3173. So what exactly is power saving mode? This is a solar watch, and basically what power saving does is it will allow the watch to cut off once it hasn't had any light activity for a certain amount of time. So for example, let's say you've got the watch, it's charged. In my case, I'm on a medium charge down here at the battery level. Maybe I'm gonna put it in a drawer or something. Instead of just having it sit there and ticking away, you can turn on power saving mode, and basically what will happen is the watch will shut off completely until it'll actually kind of keep a light running in the background. It'll save your time, but the display will shut off and it will stay off until the watch is brought back into light. Once it's brought back into light, it'll cut back on automatically. And this is a power saving feature that's available on this watch. So I'm going to show you how to turn that on. In my case, right now, we can see that there's no PS right here on the screen, which means I do not have power saving mode on. The way we're going to turn it on is we're going to press and hold. You've got to be in the timekeeping mode, so you can't be in compass, barometer, or altimeter. We're going to press and hold adjust, just like we would to change any of the settings. And then once the city starts blinking, we're going to press the mode button. And we're just going to keep pressing it until we get to a PS screen. And that's this here, power saving mode. I've currently got it off. If I wanted to turn it on, all I'm going to do is press the A button, which is also the altimeter button. And that's how you can toggle between on or off. Now I've got power saving on. You'll notice if I press it, it's off now. Watch here. There'll be a little PS icon that comes on that tells you that it's on. If I want to have it on, all I can do is press adjust again to get back to the main screen. And now I've got power saving on. Hopefully you're going to be able to see that. Realize it's kind of small. But now that little PS down there indicates that I've got the power saving feature on the watch. Again, if you wanted to turn it off, you're just going to do the reverse. Press and hold adjust. Press the mode button several times until you get to the screen that says PS. Press the altimeter button. Press adjust till you get back to the main screen, and now you've got it off. Really basic. It's just a matter of knowing how to get to it and how to do it if you want to turn on power saver mode. I'm the type, if you're not going to be wearing the watch for a while, I would have power saving on. If this is a watch you're going to be throwing on every day, maybe you don't like having to wait for it to wake up once it gets daylight. I guess it's a feature you can turn off if you don't like it.